Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make your laptop like new again or to fully reset your laptop. So first is you just have to open your settings. Okay, so once you're here, just go to the system page. So just click on system and then here, go to the recovery section. All right, so just scroll down and then when you find the recovery, you simply click on it. Okay, and then here, as you can see, we have these options. So we have fixed problems without resetting your PC, fixed problems using Windows Update. So we are going to choose this reset this PC. That's right. So just simply click on this reset PC option. Then here you have to choose an option. We have keep my files, so removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files, or remove everything so it removes all your personal files, apps, and settings. So you have to choose this option. All right. And then after that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then your PC will now be reset. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.